Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on Motorola G30. So if you can't see your Bluetooth gadget on your Bluetooth list, at the start always check your simplest way, just switch off and switch on again the Bluetooth connection to restart it. You can also try to restart your phone. At the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory has activated Pair mode, and how to activate it you will find in a manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel, so just check it and be sure that your Bluetooth accessory shall be visible for other devices. But it's still not for your phone. Let's open the settings. Then swipe down and look for the system. Choose the reset options. Click on the reset mobile and Bluetooth. Pay attention that we have a Bluetooth included. Choose the reset settings button and tap on this button again. In the next step, you can also try to update your system. So go to the system updates and click on the check for update button. If you have any, click on the restart now and update your device. After that, check for your device again on the Bluetooth list. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.